the nights are becoming so hot that there's a lot of mosquitoes. First of all, the door's open, but I haven't felt any mosquitoes, but there are mosquitoes out here. Big ones. Oh my gosh. Those things are growing every year. Good morning or good evening. It'd be good morning now. Dave here. We have started the watermelon harvest now, as we do every year. Um, we had a terrible storm the other night. It wiped out about 500 acres of watermelon. A terrible storm. I mean, I think we even got a tornado here. When I was under the protection of the shed or this warehouse here. There's a covering on the side there where I was able to get the truck in there. Still, it was able to shake the truck so much that it actually picked it up from the ground. Just a bit, but it was enough to realize that there was a tornado that had passed by. Um, anyways, less than 60 days before my vacation trip, I keep thinking I still gotta call the airline and tell the airline or pay those extra seats on the airline. Hopefully, I'm hoping they haven't been sold out yet, but I need seats by the wing area. I know I don't fit. I know I don't fit in those small seats that are in the middle. Um. Anyway, as we see it, the watermelon season is coming out okay. We might have had a loss. Um, at least I can't say money wise, because 500 acres of watermelon, that's a lot. But it all depends on how much the market is right now. But either way, I'm gonna try to do my best. Look, here comes the mosquitoes already. They're starting to hit, and they don't hit me in the front. They hit me in the back. So I'm gonna come over here and smash myself against the toolbox. Look at that. The mosquitoes coming out of the back. And I'm gonna put this video to an end because I'm gonna get eaten alive here, and I don't want that. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday, June the 2nd, which is today already. Thursday, June the 2nd. See what happens tomorrow. We're expecting some rain. Actually, we're expecting some rain on Thursday. Is what I heard the news media say. But it doesn't look like there's any thunderstorms in the area. We're expecting a cold front. It's gonna be passing by the Metro Austin area. Of course, we're over here west of Austin in the Laguna Vista, Lago Vista, Texas area. Damn mosquitoes. Anyways, I'm gonna shut her down before these mosquitoes drink all my blood, and I'm not gonna be able to have anything for the morning. Y'all have a good day. Stay away from the COVID patients. God bless.